How to unmatch on Bumble. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. So today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to unmatch on Bumble. To get started, let's open Bumble app. This is your home page. Here you can see many icons. For now, let's go to the inbox icon. Click on it. Here you'll find the conversation. So let's click on the chat. Now in the top right corner you can see 3 dots. Tap on it. Now you'll get the option Unmatch, Block and Report. Click on Unmatch. Now either you can unmatch or you can click on Unmatch and Report. So for now let me click on Unmatch. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.